In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn off auto update of your iOS on iPhone running iOS 13. Now first press on the home key to return to your home screen and then tap on settings. So I want to go into settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on general. So tap on general. In here, tap on software update. Now the phone may try to check for a newer software update. So once it's finished checking, we're just gonna wait for it to finish checking. Okay, so after it has finished checking, you can see it will show the software update. It will show any latest update available for your device. And down at the bottom here, there is an automatic update switch. Now you want to go in here and switch it off. Now at the moment, I do not want to turn it on. If I turn it on, the phone will automatically attempt to download the latest update. But in here, you can just tap on the switch to turn it off. Once it is turned off, your phone will still try to always check to see if there's any latest version of the software, but it will not auto download. So it will instead give you an option here. You can tap on download and install. I'm not going to do that because at the moment I've got version 13.3 is on my device, and I like to keep it at that. And so yeah, that's how you can turn off auto update on your iPhone on iOS 13. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.